Hello from the UK. I'm here to talk to you today about the UK insurance market and the very special marketplace called Lloyds. Now, the UK is the fourth largest insurance market in the world after the US, Japan, and China. But the UK has very impressive penetration in both the life and non-life markets, more so than the US. There is a growing trend around streamlining company structures and operating costs. And in fact, one large insurer has gone public with exiting more than 10 underperforming segments. Another insurer has said that they're merging with a very large fund manager. We're also seeing a real increase in telematics and usage-based solutions. So for example, in telematics, there's been a 30% increase in 2017 in telematics policies that have saved UK drivers over $200 million US. So let's talk about regulation. Well, the UK insurance market is regulated by two bodies. First of all, the PRA, Prudential Regulatory Authority, and second, the FCA, Financial Conduct Authority. We call these the twin peaks of regulation. But what everybody really wants to talk about is Brexit, or really the uncertainty of Brexit. So prior to the initiation of Article 50, the UK, as well as other EU countries, were able to enjoy a single insurance marketplace where they were able to conduct business. But post-Brexit, there's a tremendous amount of uncertainty. So what are companies talking about? They're talking about setting up new entities in EU countries, potentially moving leadership to some of those countries, setting up headquarters, as well as setting up branches in some of those EU countries. No matter what, this is clear that it's going to increase the cost of compliance for many companies. Finally, let's talk about Lloyds. Now, Lloyds calls themselves the world's specialist insurance market. And in fact, if you visit Lloyds, it looks much like an investment trading floor, except the traders are underwriters. Now, the top products that they write are in this order: reinsurance, property, casualty, and marine. Of course, their roots are actually in the marine business. Now, they write a lot of business in the UK and globally. About 50% of their business is in the US and Canada, followed by a little over 15% in the UK. But the US penetration has resulted in an uptick in claims due to the cat losses in the UK market in 2017. Finally, modernization efforts have been pretty substantial, especially in electronic trading, where they started modernization recently with a target of getting to 80% electronic trading by the end of 2019. Lastly, I'll say that it is one of the few global insurers with a woman CEO. And that's the state of play in the UK and the Lloyds market.